guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a great day. So today I'm doing a video that I've been wanting to film for such a long time, and that is an updated makeup collection. I haven't done one of these for at least 2 years, probably even longer. I know this isn't like back to school related or anything, it's kind of random, but don't worry, I do have more back to school videos coming for you, but I really just wanted to film this, so I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get started. Okay, so this is my current makeup collection setup. I basically just have this little cart caddy kind of thing that I got at Target. It was super inexpensive. And then I just have some containers that are all from the dollar store inside to organize everything. So I'll just get started and showing you what I have in here. So starting off with this top layer of the little cart, I have the mirror that I use every day to do my makeup. I got this at Target as well. It's just from the brand Conair, and again, super inexpensive. And then I have all of my brushes in this little cup here. I'm not sure where it's from. My mom gave it to me, but I have a wide variety of brands in here. A few from Morphe, I have a few from BH Cosmetics, Eco Tools, Real Techniques. If you want a video more in-depth on my brush collection, just let me know. And next to my brushes are all of my palettes. I do have a few more palettes in my bathroom downstairs that I just don't use that often, but these are like my favorite go-to palettes. So I have the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. This is the newest addition to my collection, and it is absolutely beautiful. It's super bright and colorful, and I've really loved playing around with this. I'm definitely planning on doing some tutorials with it. And then I have my Anastasia Sugar Glow Kit. One of my all-time favorite palettes, the Tartlet in Bloom. The packaging on this is just absolutely beautiful, and this is great if you're a beginner. There's a lot of good neutral matte shades with a few shimmers thrown in there, and it's still one of my go-to palettes. And then I have this little palette from e.l.f. Hello, you can see me in the mirror, but this is like $6, and it's a really great face palette. You get a bronzer, 2 blushes, and a highlight in here. The highlight's not my favorite, but the rest of the palette is really good. My favorite palette is the Modern Renaissance by Anastasia. This is just so gorgeous, so pigmented, and it's just the best palette. If you don't have this, I would highly recommend it. The last eyeshadow palette I have is the Naked 2 from Urban Decay. I don't use this a ton, but when I want more of a cool toned, smoky look, I definitely do reach for this, and is really good quality. And the last palette is this Smashbox Contour palette. Again, great for beginners because there's only 3 shades in here, and it's very straightforward and easy to use. The powders are very easy to blend, and they apply really smoothly, and this is just a great little palette. It also came with a brush. I think it's like 40 bucks. Then I have 2 of these little containers from the dollar store right here. This just has all of my base makeup, which there's not a ton. I don't wear a lot of face makeup. I just have a primer that I got as a sample in my Birchbox. 2 concealers. This one from NYX is very thick and full coverage, and then this is my everyday concealer. It's the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow. I also have my beauty blender in here, of course, and this little travel-sized Cover FX setting powder that is amazing. And then in this container, I have all of my skincare. So I have my daily moisturizer, which is just from Cetaphil, another little moisturizer, some of my like acne treatment products, a pretty much empty Mario Badescu rose water. And now we can move on to this second shelf here. This is pretty much all of the rest of my makeup. The bottom one is just hair stuff. But I have 4 more of the dollar store containers in here. So this first container basically has all of my eye products in it. So like mascara, brows, eyeliner, all that kind of stuff. I have my eyelash curler in here, the mascara that I've been using recently, which is the Maybelline Waterproof Total Temptation. I recently just got this Milani eyeshadow primer, and it's really, really good. It was only like $5. I have this blue mascara from NYX that sometimes I use as just a fun pop of color. I also have this yellow liquid eyeliner from NYX, a couple black liquid liners, and some brow pencils from NYX and e.l.f. And then this container is all of my cheek products. So I have my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This is amazing if you have a lighter skin tone. I also have Becca Champagne Pop Highlight. That is the wrong side, but it is such a stunning, like, peachy golden highlight. When I want a more subtle highlight, I always use this Essence Pure Nude highlighter. This is like $3 and it's so nice and natural. And then I have a few blushes, this Wet n Wild one, Tarte, and an Essence one. And then I have two of these Wet n Wild like cream sticks. One is a blush and one is a contour. I've been loving these recently. And then there's also this liquid highlight from Maybelline. Back here I have all of my lip products. There's a wide variety in here. I have a couple of the NYX Butter Glosses in the shades Maple Blondie and Eclair. I recently got these and I absolutely love them. I also have a couple of the ColourPop Ultra Satin Lips. Also a lippy pencil from ColourPop. Some chapsticks. And just some other miscellaneous like lip glosses. This is another lip balm. And then this last container has my single eyeshadows as well as my glitter in it because I love glitter so much. The first eyeshadow I have is Stila's Kitten eyeshadow. This is beautiful as an inner corner highlight. I have two single eyeshadows from ColourPop. This is one of my favorite eyeshadows. It's Amber Rush by L'Oreal. It's a really pretty like bronzy rose gold color. And then I have two of these like glitter singles from Wet n Wild. One is gold and one is silver, and they're basically like just little cream glitter things, and I really love using them as like eyeshadow toppers. And then over here is just a bunch of random like glitter and jewels and stuff, and just shiny things. And as I mentioned, the bottom shelf has all of my hair stuff in it, but I'm not going to go through that because it's kind of boring. Alright guys, so that is the finished makeup collection. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun filming it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!